Hey everybody, Scott here, MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today we are talking about a fresh trade just into the showroom, a 2017 Nautique G23 included with the trailer. We actually sold this boat brand new. It's been serviced here at the dealership as well. And the customer just traded it in to get his new boat. So I wanted to give you guys a walk around video of it. And then I'm gonna hand up the phone to the other Scott so he can show you the inside of it. This boat will be serviced and detailed and all cleaned up and ready for its new owner.
All right, thank you for the handoff, Scott. Okay, yeah, so as he was saying, a 2017 G23. This does have only 255 hours on it. This boat comes with the new, the panoramic screen that had come out in 2017. It's equipped with 2,850 pounds of ballast with the 6.2 450 horsepower motor. It has the heater vent hoses and blue underwater lights and white interior lighting. Take you through the front here. It does have the slide-in air dam door. It does have the pop-out step through here, so you have the C-deck step throughout the front. Pop-up cleats. Has the JL audio with 2 JL tower speakers. Wakeboard, wake surf folding racks, swivel in and out, and it does have the foldable tower. Come on out and check out this wonderful 2017 G23 at MarineMax here in Greenville. Check us out at MarineMaxGreenville.com.